Hello friends, my name is Radha Masood. Today we'll discuss about topic that what is PMI ACP. Friend, today's topic is very interesting and we will talk about this topic in detail today. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. PMI ACP. First of all, friend, PMI ACP, this is a certification for project management. ACP stand for Agile Certified Practitioner, and this is the certificate from PMI. PMI is Project Management Institute. It's an institute from USA side, and they have issued a certificate for ACP. That means Agile Certified Practitioner. Friend, PMI is a very big institute, and all the certificates like PMP, PGMP, all these are the certificates issued by PMI. The most popular certificate is PMP, and there is another certificate which they are issuing for Agile Certified Practitioner, that is named as ACP. As the name shows, that the certificate talks about the agile practices, and the person who has certified for the agile ACP, that means he has the knowledge about the best practices and the good knowledge about the agile. Now friend, what is actually the agile? First of all, we have to understand that what is agile, because the whole certificate is agile certificate talks about agile. Agile is a methodology, friend, for the implementation of software projects, which says that we deliver the things into chunks or into the sprints. Like, we don't deliver the whole things as once, we deliver the things into chunks. For example, if you have to deliver an e-commerce solution for a customer and you identified that there are 40 tasks which you needs to deliver, so what you can do, like, you divide the whole work into 4 sprints, and each sprint will contain 10 tasks. So you will plan, develop, test and deploy in the sprint 1, then sprint 2, then sprint 3, and then sprint 4. So till we reach at sprint 4, all the tasks will be delivered to customer. So agile is the adaptable, flexible and incremental approach for the software development, software project management. In the contrast, we have another approach that is called as waterfall approach. In the waterfall approach, what we do, like, we do all the things at once. Like, for example, we plan, develop, test and then deploy. So this is the approach of waterfall or traditional project management approach. In that way, actually, the main problem in the waterfall approach is that we got the feedback from customer very late, and nowadays truly we can say that nowadays scrum or agile approach is more ahead than the traditional project management, and many organizations that are moving towards the agile approach. So agile is a good certificate. It will add value in your CV, it will add value in your experience, and if you want to be a good project manager, if you want to be a good leader of software project management, so agile or ACP is a good option which you can go for it. Now friend, the requirement made by the PMI, Project Management Institute, for that certificate, first of all, you should have an educational background. Educational background means that you must need a secondary degree or high school diploma. This is the prerequisite for that certificate if you want to apply for that certificate. Then the next one is that you must have the project experience, project management experience. At least you have 2000 hours working on project team, and these hours must be earned within the last 5 years. If you are a active PMP certified or PGMP, so this experience will cover, and this point will be covered in that way. Then the third point is agile project experience. You must have a 1500 hours working on agile project teams or with agile methodologies. These hours are in addition to the 2000 hours required general project experience. These hours must be earned within the last 3 years. This is the third requirement. Then you must have a training for the agile practices. A 21 hours training you must have to attend, and as a proof you should have to provide the certificate to the PMI that you have received the training of agile practices. Hours must be earned in agile practices. This is very important. 21 hours must be required. Examination point of view, you must have a test knowledge of agile fundamental, and the fee for the ACP is 435 USD for members of PMI and 495 for the non-members of PMI. So these are the prerequisites for if you are interested to go for the ACP certificate. Now what is the process of the ACP certificate, friend? Just go on the website of pmi.org. Application submission. First of all, you have to submit the application. Application means just go on the pmi.org website, select the certificate for ACP, Agile Certificate Practitioner, and then submit your application to apply for the certification. Then PMI will review your application. It will take approximately normally it takes 10 days to review your application. So approximately within 10 working days you will receive the response. Approximately we can say within 2 weeks you will got the response. Application review means submit the payment. So you can submit the payment through credit card, and you can or also some other options are also available for payment. Normally we use credit card for submission of payment. After the submission, application selected for audit. Okay, this is another activity. So there might be a possibility that they will audit your application. Audit means that they will ask you to provide all the evidences and proofs of your applications. For example, if you are saying that you have conducted, like you have the project experience, so they will ask you to provide all the evidences, etc. So there are chances that your application may go into the audit or may not go. If your application got in the audit, so if your application don't got in the audit, so you can easily, it will be informed to you, and then you can schedule your exam up to 3 times. So you can now then you can schedule your exam. If your application got for the audit, then you have to provide all the relevant material which they will ask for you. You have to submit your documents. They will review your documents, and if they accept all your documents, then you can schedule the exam. If they found any issue in your provided documents, so obviously they will not allow you to schedule the exam. So friend, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time. Thank you.